Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to achieve glass skin but with makeup. Not everyone has nice skin to begin with or a budget for a 10-step glowy skincare routine. For the purpose of this video, I don't have any skincare on, so my face is pretty matte. For the first step, I apply some sunscreen, because we all need it all day, every day. Also choose a sunscreen that gives you a little glow already. The next product is a makeup glow base. This gives you the perfect glow underneath your foundation. As for foundation, I choose also a glow type foundation. If you have oily skin, go for a semi-matte one. Glass skin should look almost transparent and gives off the perfect glow. Glowy but not oily, so we focus on a rather natural glowy finish. Instead of concealer, I just apply a little more foundation to the areas I think I need it. That way we avoid a thick foundation build-up and greasiness. To minimize the appearance of pores and to set the T-zone a little, I apply some translucent powder. How much you want to apply depends on you. I only focus on the areas with bigger pores. As for blush, I would recommend a liquid blush as well. It gives off a nice natural finish. Then you can do the rest of your makeup real quick. You can skip that part if you like. Last but not least, I apply some highlighter. This is optional. If you used a lot of powder, you might use the highlighter. For the last step, I chose a glow mist. You can bring this with you during the day to keep your skin looking nice and hydrated. And there you have it, glass skin achieved with makeup. Hope you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye!